Hi, in today's video, I'll be showing you how to handle open shipments and open pickups in your Vinoshipper profile. So once you log in, we'll go down to the orders drop down. We'll start with open shipments. And now I can see the list view of the shipments that I have that I need to fulfill. So what I could do is I could click the shipments that I would like to fulfill and check these boxes here. From there, I could do required inventory. This is really great if you have to go pull your products from, the basement or the cellar or something. You could click required inventory and it'll tell you everything you need to pull to fulfill those orders. From here, I could also print my labels. I could click all the orders that I'd like to fulfill and click print labels here. That will print both the packing slip and the UPS label for those orders. But I'm also going to show you how to do one individually so you can see the whole process. So I'm going to click on this order number here and I can see what the shipment is. And from here, I can click packing slip. It'll print me the packing slip. We do require a packing slip in every box. And then from here, I can do UPS label, click PDF. It'll bring up the UPS label. So I could just print this, fold it in half, stick it in the label pouch, and it'd be ready to go. Or I could also, if I'm out of label pouches, I could just tape over this whole label. So now when we go back to our order and open shipments, we see that that shipment is no longer in the list. So I'll also show you how to deal with a pickup order. So we can go to open pickups. I can see the list of open pickups here. I can still do my required inventory if I'd like to see what I need to pull for all of these orders. And then if you click print labels from here, it will just print you the packing slip for each pickup order. But so I'm going to open the order individually. So I could print the packing slip from here. I could also print the receipt. And if I needed to modify the order, I could also edit the order from here, which I could change it to be shipped if I needed to. I can also, once this order has been picked up, mark it as picked up from here, and it'll no longer show in my open pickups. I want to show you quickly, if you go to the help drop down and go to the knowledge base, you can search packaging here, and it'll bring up packaging for shipping alcohol. This is a great resource if you need to know like what kind of boxes you should order and our recommended best practices for packaging alcohol. So that's another great resource in the knowledge base. Alrighty, I hope this video is helpful. Have a great day.